What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 04 Mystichrome Terminator. This is to piggyback off of the last video I just made about the hood latch mod and why we did that. It's a two-part video. We are going to be installing some new Mishimoto aluminum radiator brackets and bushings, and my favorite, the JLT full-length Mystichrome painted radiator cover. All right, guys, so first things first, being that we have the radiator cover off, we're gonna swap out the bushings and the brackets with some new, nicer looking stainless steel ones that I got from Mishimoto just to dress up under the hood a little bit while we have this off. Once those are on, then we're gonna get to the main part of this video, the main focus, which I finally was able to find a brand new, still in box that I bought off of the Facebook page, a full-length Mystichrome painted JLT radiator cover. I have wanted one of these for years since they came out, was never able to get my hands on one, and now I finally have located one. So with that being said, I did already have the aluminum polished one that was on here that you've seen in plenty of my other videos, but it was time for a change, and this one just makes the engine bay look so much cleaner and so much more sleek. So I have these aftermarket black housing headlights, which I have done videos on before, and you can see there's some adhesive on it, and just the tops of these just don't look very nice. So now with this full length radiator cover, it's gonna cover all of this. So we fixed our hood latch. We don't have to slam our hood now anymore. Let's get these brackets installed, which you're just going to remove this one bolt here, slide these off, and then press on the new brackets and bushings. And once those are on, we'll get this popped on there and see how it looks. Next up, let's get this beauty unpackaged. Beautiful. Now for the fun part, let's get the radiator cover on. So it says to take the bump stops out, but it actually will slide right over them. If you're nice and gentle, and being that they're rubber, you can slide them right over. Just like so. All right. So one thing that was kind of throwing me off to take note is it will kind of rub. You can see here, or it has the look like it's basically warped a little bit, which from the other videos I've seen, both the painted and unpainted, it's the same exact thing. So hopefully it doesn't get chipped up at all when we're closing the hood or once it starts flexing and getting the proper shape. But this is pretty much what we're dealt with. I checked all of the studs and everything behind it. It looks just like it would on every other video. It's still all factory hardware. So there's nothing else that I can really move around to get this to sit any more flush or any closer or straight. So this is pretty much the hand we're dealt. So we're gonna secure it with the hardware. We're gonna test out the hood, and hopefully she's all good. There you have it. She is in, looking absolutely killer. It just cleans this up so much. It makes it look so nice over the headlights and just really how it should have looked factory. I definitely enjoyed my polished one that I had here, but this just looks so much more sleek and well put together. So now we're gonna clean this stuff up, and then the moment of truth, the very, very nerve-wracking part, we're gonna close the hood. We got the bump stops adjusted. For the camera, give it the moment of truth. Just lined up, nice and tight, and didn't rub. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video. Couldn't find much on this cover. Was lucky enough to get one. Was super happy. So figured I'd throw a video up on YouTube. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Stay tuned for more Mystichrome Cobra content and check out my other builds, the 19 bobber, the 68 fastback, and the new Bronco Raptor. Thanks, guys.